today I want to come and read for you about the Bible. Talk about little bit conference for God people. This is a very nice song. You know the very nice song. Confront. Okay, I want to read for you about little bit here. The whole chapter. We go. Alright. Thank you so much, my friends, my brother and sister. We see you again. Okay, today is the I want to read for you here. Isaiah chapter 40, verse 1, talk about a little bit here. Comfort my people, says your God. Says your God. Mamutaki, Yapwagomutki. Tigasa siwada, say your God. Speak tenderly to Jerusalem and proclaim to her, thus her hand survive has been completed. Thus her sin has been paid for. Thus he has received from the Lord's hand, therefore for all her sin. Okay. Away ni mitala tatamilo pakropatu pathane, siwedi long. Katuta mutapodo pa Jerusalem po. Tiki. Dosibalo aduta yata wili la atat deba plali dera atat deba plali la abali takisala atat deba holo yua supu abali takisala atat deba holo yua supu. A voice of one calling takalu taka kothora in the desert prepare the way for the Lord. Love pamunganani devra katiktoki. You are clerky. Pagter mala tagi way ni. Pay sibera, dotaglu thought all of pamunganani. Katikto you are clear. Katikto you are clear. May stretch in the wilderness. A highways for our God. Every valley will be raised up, every mountain and hill made low. The rounded ground shall become level, the righteous place a plain. Away ni mitaka to one taka tahu taga sikolo betamu pusikolo. Away ni pekele kwa kwalo nogi luined sepo dilo. Deraka yeka circus. Kaya kesek sutaka ma totowe. Do kaya kesek ludo ta sukuni taka ma lopa. Do taki kama blurtoki. Do a lot talk. Sulon near the park kaba hulu ta. A lot talk. So no the park. Kabata ma huki o dera did. Six talk about painting, and the glory of the Lord will be revealed, and all mankind together will see it. For the mouth of the Lord has spoken. You are takura wakatura, David. Though you are like a poco plato, do kayetanya killer kati, bawa tipuholo. Agidi you are takukatudaro, David. You are takuni katuda. Okay, maybe didn't open go pay to simple. A voice says, crying out. Douglas Sivera Gobethuto, and I said, Do David yete. Why said I crying? Bagdad Mala Douglas Siveko Turkey. Do you see Yabaku Tolomanidimile? Yabaku Tolomanidimile. Era David, Okay. All men are like grass, and all their glory is like the flowers of the field. Our Dera Dino. Dera Paini, Yemnutimile, Kayeta Pitanyani, me no mu color, do Kaye, a blue a poop, deep blobu, a theo po a tunic color, deep blobu, a theo po tunic color. Mimi dinero, no in winning to that of omnitimile. 7. Talk about here. I want to read for you. The grass wither and the flowers fall because the breath of the Lord blowed on them. Surely the people are the grass. Hey, I'm gonna look at you, but get you wind up. Hi, my friends. Okay. Payro pagkete mala patao mo pune metala tagita klu kai sikolo. No you nui katutara palo minuti mi sikole. Katuwala dilo no mio. Ne hitok with you po ne lo nyuku bewelo lo nui lo bewelo agiri I yua ata utoba olo me ma pagamu me no mu lo pagamu ne no mu lo. Let us look at Pacropatu Pata, Tati Paisicolo. Can no equanic to that of Palominitum, the grass withers and the flower falls, but the words of our God stand forever. Let us look at Pacropatu Pata, Patamu Pusico, Tanimatanilo. No moon a hit up with you, Po. Nay, long we lo bewelo. Mimi bekasa agli gitani ko uwe kasue lo sulotoro kasa agli gita ne lo sulotoro. You who bring good tidings to Zion, go up on a high mountain. You who bring good things to Jerusalem, lift up your voice with a shout. Lift it up, do not be afraid. Say to the town of Judah, here is your God. Here is your God. Dan gura katura lo tagawe agi klune lo. Pala aheso. Tada kukaso su siyo taga. Leto su kasa. To adoku to nagludo tagieba pala ahesu tata kukuso su Jerusalem taga to adki lida dagi silo Judah awedapa kwakwa tukasanidki kwakwa tukasanidki. Leta no hutaro pakro patu pasala patamu busikolo. Hello, my friends, my brother and sister. Today is the great thing. Conference for God's people. See, the sovereign Lord comes with powers, and his arm rule for him. See, his reward is with him, and his recompense accompanies him. Let us look at a patu pata sicolo, tagita clulo, patamo pusicolo. No, it is secret to daddy lo quaqua. You are a hero or sucamo, do a su do capoda le aguada velo. Quaqua. A bulle udo, do a bulle uelu, a menalo. Away ne mita tamila pacropatu patala, patapitama, patavutaga. 11 talk about here. He turns his flock like a shepherd. He gathers the lambs in his arm and carries them close to his heart. He gently leads those that have yawns. Away sick on a patu patala, but down with sickolo. I eat a qua a thought of poo, deep aqua thought the gato. Do Katapu tupu tapala asu. Do kaso honor atana pabu. Do kaso kayo. Tumu pala adu anu talo. Kaso kayo lo. Tumu pala adu anu talo. Okay. He gentle. Least though that have yawns. Okay. Who has measured the waters in the hollows of his hand, or with the breadth of his hand make of the heaven? Who has held the dust of the earth in the baskets, or weighed the mountain on the scale, and the hills in a balance? Pero bakro patu patalo batamu pusikolo. The sikini katudara palo. Pala a hot tilo sinyatapu. Do to muko le asu atatata. Do papu hoko akamula no hopu papu. Hoko akamula no hopu. Do so kasakalula so popu. Do tasuku tapane le sopo so shepune mi matargale. Awani mitale bakro patu patale batamu pusikolo. Okay, mimi dinero bakro patale batamu pu. Le batapitama pusikolo. Number 12. Okay. Pero bakro tete malo nogi. The king who has understood the mind of the Lord. Who has understood the mind of the Lord, or instructs him as his counselor. Okay, away ni mitalo pakrapatu pada sikolo. Mimata tu jua atargale. Do mimata ke paku lo atado o tatado. Cthulhu or Tegale. Cthulhu or Tegale. They were up penny. Okay. Pero Bakro Sukumuro Petino Palabitamu. Whom did the Lord consort to enlighten him? And who taught him the right way? Who was it that taught him knowledge, or swim him the path of understand? Awesiko pakro patu patalo batamu pusikolo. Kulu ataro pargado atatulu o. Do nelu olo tasinyo akle. Do bubatinya olo tatinya ni mimatargale. Do mimata nelu olo tatu sata sa akleni tegale mimrega nelu kesayol mimrega tulu kesayol. Okay. When we sugumu patino palo batamu busigolo, we should think about carefully. Okay. Who was it that taught his knowledge and showed him the path of understanding? The God. God, you teach him, you teach to the gods, or you show the way to the God, you give it, okay, just like this. It's a wrong thing you do. I want to read for you. Surely the nations are like a drop in the beaker. They are regarded as ducks on the scale. He weighed the islands as though they were fine dust. Away siko pekro patu patalo patamupu le patapitamapu sikolo. Kwa pwa Kalutapa Mata did Tilo sort a plot letisse, Tilo so plot letisse. Do tapa or did tak a miller so po apu atonilo, quaqua. Go the pani, di hoku a gamu, the plot atonit, turtle willow. Okay, we made it all, really. Pakropatu patala batamu pusicolo. Away ni metala patamupu patahu tage pusicolo. No, it see ye, Peggle quaquarse, not the Sikuni teva padile. Lebanon is not sufficient for altar fire, nor is animals enough for burnt offering. Away sick on a pathinyala, do lavanola, atasuke mu agoni, Jeda. Pegade malo ta aba. Do asabuko polo alu me u talu me u agoni ta abalo sabu kopo ta aba okay not enough no but not enough okay Pedro Bugletema 17 talk about a little bit here. Before him all the nations are as nothing. Okay. They are regarded by him as worthless and less than nothing. Away sick on a pecro patu patala patamu pusicolo 17. Kaye poa Kulukulani mata di ta not miller a menya to nilo. Mata di ta not miller a menya to nilo. Power di ta sini ta not miro di ta mima ta ba to nilo. Ta mima ta ba to nilo. Okay, less than nothing. Like this. Okay, 18 talk about to whom then will you compare God? What image will you compare him to? 18 talk about a little bit. Do tu do lo yua do matadakale. Do tu do lo or do ta a do a tailor manitimile. Okay, do it. Compare. What image will you compare him to? What image? Here is the, okay, whom, to whom will you compare God? 19, talk about a little bit here. As for as idols, a craftsman cuts it, and a goldsmith overlays it with gold and fashion silver chains for it. Away sick on a pecropatu pataloptamo, tago tapone ma wamata thi, okay, thini tiwe, do papo tuni powella tu, do catus ni situele agolo. Away catune situele agolo. A man too poor to present such an offering. Slave was that we now wrote. He looked for a skilled craftsman to set up an idol that we not topper. Away ni pecropatu pada sikolo kisini ketua la pola a power to Amabuta apuedo te thiba ni hu te thila at the ut klaba hu mata hu pwa mata thila aku thita tagala ago di tu akateketo tago supla ata te plele at the hutawa ni lo dewe awani palo apoya. Then aku dah dapat kerapatu patah le betamu besikolo. Kisitane katuda of Palo Munutimile. Do you not know? Okay, sorry, my friends, my light. Just like I'm walking, but I come back. Thank you so much, my friends, my brother and sister. Okay, I not finished yet. It's not being told you from founded. Okay. Pain it, Debra, 30 nyama. La cote liline. Da, the seba thuba. La hoko cote the pa. Uto liline, thitana ba. Okay. Hoko uto liline, thitana. Have you not understood? He sits enthroned above the cycles of the Lord. Stretch out the heaven like a canopy. To finish, okay. Sorry about this, everyone. Okay. Kizikini tebra di lo mi pwala hot muti agawa apoko dopwa uwesuer pani matadi dre wodrawu ato pwala atalato munko di yat de tatu do seto odi dele paka ukasula aputulo atuni tebra kisitane gatura la pamaniti mile. He brings a prince to naught and reduces the rulers of his world to nothing. When a kisita negatura, Pala a papado pado tapala tanonomy, Hoku a pasinio quani le tacoloclonilo. Hoku a pasinio quani powera talo. Kisilune gatura parile. No sooner are they planted, no sooner are they sown, no sooner do they take root in the ground. Then he blowed on them and they wither, and a whirlwind swept them away like chaff. Away ne paka le kwalo kisilu ne ka tuda ro pala tagi we lo me mata ka me matatuba ataba tatuba ataba me ma tapiba ataba me ma atu agi teselo atalo hopla ba do te yua uba o te yua uba o do lo nui do kali twi kasutop we o di piu khau atuni lo kali twi kasutop we o di piu khau atuni lo deura yadana wura ro pakro patu pata la batamu sigo kisian david le to whom will you compare me or who is my equal? Save the Holy One. Paine kisiya ne katura do tu kadulo yalum yado mataragale do yakaditu do mataragale taso shirga siwera. Lift your eyes, look to the heaven. Who creates all thee? Paine devra di lo. Glido tu me su tatoto do mi matati tapa ini quadki. Devra. He who bring out the stir his hosts one by one, and call them each by name. Call them each by name. Because of his great power and mighty strides, not one of them is missing. Away ni tevera luluda. Ya kisi huni katura ropa letagi taklumnitule. Klito tumesu tato do mimata tida tapa ini kwa teki. Pala aserto atumugomu di ataki atoni. Mimata tagale. Kuala amikele lo mila agisu abasu do. Asudu akamoto tatado tahamaba normiba. Tahamaba normiba. Okay. Not one of them is missing. Why do you say, O Jacob, and complain, O Israel? My will is hidden from the Lord. My case is disregarded by my God. Kisinui ne katutaro pwade lo. Nera nasi Jacob. Do Nagatuta Israela Yekle utadelo jwa do ye tasinyo lepu Quilo yekasane me abamanile Tevera dinero Kisi Juanitebra, do you not know? Have you not heard? The Lord is the everlasting God, the creators of the ends of the earth. He will not grow dry or weary, and his understand no one can fathom. No one can fathom. Paine kisi kone tebra dilo. Netatinya ba, netanahu ba. Yami kasa tu yo tatilo hoko kete panilo. Tapa telobwa ba. Do tadabwe ba taba. Atusa atasane pa hudeba ba. Kijikwi ketura parliament mile. He gives strength to the weary and increasing the power of the weak. Even just grow tired and weary, and young men stumbles and fail. But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagle. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint. Not be faint. Away in mitala takweta sikolo. Pala alobani juahi wala taitaba. Agi balo, do pala agi bat ubani do suto we agi balo. Do paputa kwani kalobado ta kabueta do pahuta pone agi aba kasalo. Kasalo welo meme pala amula tala juani agi aba kasutolo. Kayulo di say dilu travel to kahiwe do talobi ba saba. Do kaleta do talobi lotoba lo. Kaleta do talobi lotoba. Leta no kudaro. Pawe pakiro where you are pujuali tirpa. Do me look a minima taqueta yablana ma or tulu a victor. You are going to sit up to you to ba. You are glad out of two. You are good to it. Away ne metala ye edo his sorrow. To kinilo. Who are on a girl papa supata. Love but down put the name button. The so but sonic. What are all double loot out color to do? my friends, my brother and sister, you walk in the will God. Remember, you not growing weary. Okay? Weary because they will walk and not be faint. Alright, my friends, we will see you next time. Thank you so much for today. The people confronts for God's people. Confronts mean what is that? Okay, giving humble. Maybe proclaim. Okay, love them. Just give them your hand. Maybe the more has strength. Okay. Thank you so much, my friend, my brother and sister. God bless you all. I will see you next time. Bye bye.